The Britax Marathon ClickTight Convertible car seat brings you remarkable convenience without compromising on your child's safety. With the revolutionary ClickTight installation system, now everyone can install the car seat securely and confidently by just buckling the seatbelt. You simply open the front of the car seat, buckle the seatbelt across the belt path, and then click the seat shut for proper installation every time. With our exclusive Safe Cell Impact Protection, an integrated system of safety components work together to protect your child well beyond the federal safety standards. And complete side impact protection shields your little one in a deep protective shell that absorbs crash forces and protects from debris. The Marathon ClickTight includes the Quick Adjust 12-position harness with 2-position buckle, making it easy to provide a comfortable, secure fit as your child grows. And 7 recline positions with an automatic level indicator ensure the car seat's angle is correct and your child is comfortable. Wherever the road takes you, the Marathon ClickTight Convertible car seat has been carefully designed to keep your child safe and you free from worry along the way.